Egg. Microwave. See what happens. Here's Joshua also taping the suspicious moment. Whoop! Hey, it rolls around. That's what happens. Probably gonna explode here in a second. Aren't you supposed to what? I didn't. I heard something. Oh, is something losing out on the side? Oh, it's just crack popping there. Oh, wow. It just cooked the egg. Whoa! And it exploded! 1 minute. 1 minute does it. Please microwave your egg for exactly 1 minute.